Hey, here's a quick look at the heavy-duty roof mount kit for Starlink that I received for review. Here's what's in the box. Slide the adjustable tube into the base. Here's the built-in concealed cable pass-through holes. The top fits on the tube. This is what the Starlink will mount to and will allow for a full 360-degree rotation. The base can tilt 110 degrees. The kit includes cable clips to help maintain a clean look, along with a drill bit, concrete anchors, and a wrench, plus stainless steel screws and a wrench for the mounting of the Starlink to the unit. Overall, this is a sturdy built mount that is lightweight and simple to install. I'd recommend it for your Starlink mounting project.